I'm Jessica Warnke, President and CEO of Carter Express and Carter Logistics. We are a 850 truck fleet out of Indiana, but we operate in several states as well as Mexico and Canada. I am a third generation trucker, but our family no longer owns the business. We are owned now by a larger logistics company, which we really enjoy, but part of the reason we made that decision is because of the risks in trucking and having our family livelihood tied up in an industry that is not in a level playing field when it comes to liability and risk. Trucking's a very difficult business. Our costs, price of equipment, employee wages, prices of tires, cost of maintenance, prices of parts, and most notably, the cost of liability and healthcare insurance only go one way, up. We have seen our insurance rates increase year over year over the past decade, and that's in spite of our increased safety ratings and our decreased loss ratios. We continue to receive fleet safety awards from state and national trucking organizations, and our CSA Unsafe Basic score is in the 5th best percentile in our peer group. We buy all of the latest safety equipment on our trucks, we use inward and outward facing cameras, and we have 6 CDL licensed driver coaches working full-time to coach driver behavior and increase our safety. Needless to say, we take safety seriously. But the current court system is not fair. Plaintiff attorneys have realized that trucking companies are fearful of unfair and extreme nuclear verdicts and will settle even frivolous lawsuits to avoid the risk of expensive and unpredictable trials. This has happened to us several times. We've had 6-figure settlements for accidents that happen at less than 5 miles per hour. Accidents that didn't cause a scratch on the plaintiff, but whose attorney found doctors to perform unnecessary surgeries and procedures on them to raise medical bills and increase their damages. 30 to 45% of those damages the plaintiff won't even receive. The attorney keeps them as their fee. We are making plaintiff attorneys billions of dollars off the backs of hardworking American truck drivers, mechanics, and logistics employees. We're shutting down 50 to 80-year-old safe, reliable, family-run trucking companies over frivolous lawsuits and nuclear verdicts where their truck and driver were not at fault for the cause of the accident, or who can no longer afford liability insurance even when they're running safe fleets. The system is rigged in a way where a plaintiff can cause the accident, and the plaintiff attorney will find a loophole in a policy or a deposition statement and convince a jury to award millions of dollars wrongfully. Just look at the $90 million Warrior case in Texas. We need state and federal governments to help us level the playing field. Myself and all of my peers that I personally know in this industry are good people, and if we cause an accident or an injury to someone, we want to make it right. But plaintiff attorneys are exploiting us. It's no longer about making someone whole for an injury or for their property damages. It's gambling on a lottery payout, taking any and all cases as far as they can, hoping to hit the big one. And it's leading to a widespread shortage of safe, reputable trucking providers because who wants to take that risk? You can do everything right and still have the wrong accident in the wrong jurisdiction with the wrong plaintiff attorney. It's truly disheartening. I'm still trying to protect a family legacy and provide honest, well-paying jobs to 2,000 employees. I love this industry. It's created my family's legacy. It's where my husband and I both work. Our kids attend safety meetings and count Carter trucks on our road trips. I've made some of my best friends through our industry associations. But every day it gets harder and scarier, and you go to bed every night wondering if the risk is worth the reward.